Hi, this is the evaluation of the order trading system for February the 16th, 2021. We had four trades on that day. Two were buys, two were short sells. First trade is CBRE. That's CBRE Group Incorporated. It tripped at 11:54:17 a.m. at a price of 70.70. It was a short sell. It closed the day at 70.56, so that's a positive outcome. End of the day, it was below its tripping price. Check to see indicators if they are giving good indication of that. OBV somewhat coming down. Strangely enough, MACD actually came up after it went down. It went down, came up, but obviously the price itself stayed down. And we can see a good portion of the day DI wise was moving negative. It was positive in the afternoon, but you could see it was starting to make a comeback, going negative again. And we can see the Bollinger Band gives a more clear indication of activity or price movement. It came down basically early afternoon, dropped early afternoon, and basically moved sideways after that. Next trade is CSCO. That's Cisco Systems Incorporated. It tripped at 12:09 p.m. at a price of 46.90. It was a short sell. It closed the day at 46.51, down 1.65%, and that's below the tripping price. It did come up to 46.55, but it's still down below the tripping price. So if it wasn't a positive, it would definitely be a strong thing. Came down 46.53, 46.51. Didn't come down much below the 40.51 point, so it's not a strong positive, but it's still a positive. Next trade is CBEAY, and that is CymaBay Therapeutics Incorporated. It tripped at 1:22:38 p.m. at a price of 5.69. It was a buy. It closed the day at 5.63, so down below its tripping price. It closed at 2.93% below from previous close. We'll see if there's any opportunity there. 122. Yeah, we can see right around here. Yeah. Yeah. It just never made a 100%. Well, it never moved much above its tripping price. And OBV is okay. MACD is not too bad. It's moving up. DI is basically half and half. But you can see afternoon it was moving positive, a little bit negative. You can see moving sideways at the end of the day. Bollinger Band you see bouncing back and forth. I'd say based on just the price movement that it was moving sideways, that little bit of downward activity at the end of the day, which is what brought it down a bit, but that's just people taking their profits in that at the end of the day. I'm going to say it's a possible. The indicators are not showing strongly positive, but they are somewhat showing positive. Not as much as they could be, but in general, they are showing somewhat positive. I'll leave it at that. I'll say it's a possible. Next trade is JG, and that's Aurora Mobile Limited. Tripped at 340.50 at a price of 6.66. Interesting value, eh? And that was a buy. Closed the day at 6.71, and more early morning 7.12. So this stock is moving very, very strongly positive. And oh, I was looking at the wrong stock for that last one. Yeah. This is the one from previous, the CBA one. Okay, so OBV is not too bad. MACD is good. DI is good. Yeah. The end result is actually the stock. The previous stock wasn't showing. I'm just going to adjust a little bit just to get a bit more. Yeah. No, yeah, okay. So that actually makes it more concretely. So the last one is actually more. The indicators are actually truly showing that it actually is more positive than negative. I just didn't happen to go over the, I guess, indicator for Cisco, which was negative, which somewhat, I guess you could say that the indicators were also showing somewhat negative in general. Not strong and negative though. So okay, this is JG. You can see OBV up, MACD up, and DI up. Bollinger's banging up. This one actually caught at the end of the day. And as you can see, it was a trade that happened fairly late in the day, but you can see it was up 9.82%, so it was up quite a bit, and it's up 6.41%. We're talking a stock from day over day, 15% cry. So that stock definitely was doing well. So that leaves 3 out of 4 stocks positive, which is 75%, and 4 out of 4 stocks with possibility, that's 100%. So that's another good day. I'll leave it at that. Thank you very much.